actually the same group of players. He hasn't injected too much new blood.
No, but I think what he will bring is accountability. He'll make the players own how they want to play, and then from there, they've then got to bring that to life. You know, they've got to play with that aggression. He was saying there he wants them to be robust, to be able to change and to be versatile. These are the type of things that he'll bring to the team.
Of course, you know, when you come in like this and there's expectation, you know, one game is not going to be a wholesale change for England. They will go there. I think he meant to get a result. But he's handled this last week or so very well, hasn't he, in terms of deflecting the pressure away from the players?
Well, I think he's very entertaining, actually. He's got crack at the press conferences. He's a bit arrogant too, you know, he struts his stuff a little. I actually think that suits England. I don't mean that in a bad way. I do think this kind of deprecating thing that happened for the last 4 years didn't really sit that well with them. England are used to being champions. They're used to winning all the time. And they hadn't. They became very nice over the last 4 years. And I don't think he likes any of that. He says he doesn't care how nice they are or not.
Oh, they're going to be a bit more aggressive by the time.
Yeah.